Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding Discover's cashback categories is essential. Discover offers rotating 5% cashback on different purchase categories each quarter, and Amazon purchases often fall into these bonus categories. You need to activate the category each quarter to earn the higher rate, otherwise you get 1% on everything. Step 2. Apply for the right Discover card that matches your spending habits. The Discover It Cashback card is perfect for this because it lets you earn cashback on Amazon during bonus quarters. Make sure you're approved and your account is active before making purchases. Step 3. Activate your cashback categories every quarter without fail. This is crucial because the 5% rate doesn't automatically apply. Log into your Discover app or website and look for the activation button each new quarter. Step 4. Time your Amazon purchases strategically during the bonus quarters. If shopping is a rotating category, buy what you need when that quarter is active to maximize your rewards. Stack this with Amazon's own promotions for even better savings. Step 5. Redeem your cashback rewards through multiple options available to you. You can get statement credits, deposit directly to your bank account, or even transfer to gift cards. Track your earnings regularly so you don't miss out on any accumulated rewards.